like the video says, I'm going to unveil the price of the PowerPods. You guys have been waiting on it. Some of you guys thought it should be $100. Killing me, impossible. Some of you guys thought it should be $500, $700. I can tell you that this is a premium product. It was expensive to make. We didn't go cheap. And for a while, I was telling you guys, it's not gonna be the same price as a $200 trimmer. You know, there's just way too much material and components and engineering that was involved with this to make it the same price as a pair of trimmers or even a $250 pair of clippers, okay? But I do think it's affordable. I do think that every barbershop in the country, in the world should have one. And so the price is MSRP $324.99, but you'll be able to go to CT Barber Expo and get it for only $299.99. And we'll run deals and stuff like that for you guys throughout the year. So yeah, I think the price is more than fair. I'm excited. I hope you guys see the value in it when the reviews come out. I'm sure, you know, people will attest to the quality of the product. And I can't wait for you guys to have it. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the price.